Ooh, the Judge next to Cougar Eliminator, next to a Volkswagen, next to Kennen's 37 Chevy Coupe, which he's about to fire up the motor. Let's get this old school classic, original factory engine. What is it, inline-six?
It's a 216.
Got it.
Motor. Yep.
Do it to him, Kennen. Now, it wasn't remachined or anything, so this is literally the original 37 motor.
As far as I'm aware, yes. Yeah. I don't know if anything's been done to it.
It sounds good.
Yeah, it don't sound bad. See if we're getting any oil pressure. Oil pressure is starting to go up. It'll stay running. Maybe it likes to choke. Nope, that's the wrong one.
Some of that. Yeah, down. Kennen, you look like a baller, dude. You just fired her up and
Worked good. Just had to mess with the choke a little bit, and then once it warmed up, it was pretty happy to run.
yeah, dude. A little smoke right here.
Oh yeah. There's no coolant in it yet, so I didn't run it very long, but had good oil pressure, 15 psi.
What's standard for a motor this old?
I have no clue. Well, the gauge, if you look at the gauge, it goes 15 to 30 psi. We were a little past 15, so. Probably pretty good. 15 looks to be right in the middle. Happy medium. Probably in, I don't know for sure what oil, but I'd make sure to add zinc additive in it because it's an old flat tappet cam. Don't want to wear it out.
What does zinc do?
It's just kind of, it's a lubricant it acts as, so it just helps things stay better. Like if you didn't add it, the cam would slowly start delaminating and it would just round out and turn into just circles instead of lobes. And then you'd no longer have, your valve train would stop moving and you'd have no intake or exhaust. So.
Dude, it sounded great.
Yeah, we're shooting some sparks out the exhaust.
This is our muscle car concepts behind the scenes, behind some of the restoration projects, some moments that you don't always get to see. This is a 1937 Chevy Coupe we were doing and finishing the restoration on. It wasn't all done in-house. The paint was done by another shop here in Lincoln.